Just when I thought I was done, there's one more wire to run. I've got a wire missing that is the trigger for the rear defrost window that needs to go from the center control panel all the way back to the battery box. We were doing inventory and we missed that one. So we're going to run that, and then all the wires should be in place. So after a couple more days of gathering parts and running wires, I now have all lights, horn, and the rear floodlights functioning. We've got the original ex-military headlight switch here, the convoy switch. So that is managed to get wired in, and I was able to splice that into the Painless system. Then we've got the original basically turn stalks and wiper stalks from the Land Rover and the hazard switch. Took some finagling, bit of a pain in the butt, but yeah, it all went together and it all functions. So I'll show that here right now. So the key is quote unquote on. That's the red wire connected to the orange there. That's basically ignition on. And if we turn this guy, we've got parking lights, and we've got the parking lights there, and they are on. And then if we hit the high beams, we got two more lights show up over there. So high beams are working as well, and they're trading places with the low beams. So that's what we're seeing there. And then we've got blinkers. There we go. Everything's showing up. And hazards. So there it is. And then last but not least, we have rear floodlights and a cat. She's always the spotlight of attention. So yeah, this is exciting. We got everything wired up. Everything is functioning. Everything has been continuity checked if it's not working and functioning on the board. And I think I'll start putting this in the truck tomorrow. Should be a good time.